What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Thanks for joining us back on another episode where we talk smart things, success, marketing, achievements, resources, and training. My name is Mark. I'll be your host on this video today. Guys, today I'm going to give you 5 work-from-home jobs for teenagers ages 13 to 18. If you're under 18 years old, you're going to need at least parental permission or at least help setting up a PayPal account to get paid. So that's about the only thing you'll need. But these websites allow anybody over the age of 13 to start working and make money immediately. So without further ado, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're going to jump right into this. So the first website that I want to show you is Jing. Okay, Jing.com or about.jingit.com gives you a little more information about it. So a little introductory to Jing. Basically, it's where brands go and they want to get exposure to their brand, exposure to their company. So for a person to sign up, all you have to do is it takes about 30 seconds. You don't need any social security number. You don't need any credit card number or anything. It literally takes 30 seconds to sign up. And all you do is you watch ads online. You check in, you shop for select products at your favorite stores, and you can also give feedback to leading brands by taking brief surveys. Now, these brands, they in turn give you a little bit of money in exchange for your opinion, in exchange for your attention, in exchange for your time. And so it's super easy to use. All you got to do is go to jingit.com and you can click sign up for Jingit. Sign up here. If you already have an account, click sign in. You can watch a couple tutorial how-to videos, but it's super simple and you can start making money immediately. Now, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not something you're going to make, $1,000 overnight. But if you do it enough throughout the day, or if you have a little bit of extra time on your hands in between class or homework or studying at night, or you're at a friend's house, you can definitely jump onto this website and just start watching ads. You can watch videos, and you can get paid for it. So super legit website. I saw some good reviews on a couple blogs about this website, so definitely check that out. I'm going to give you number 2. Number 2 is a website called Humanik, Humanik.com. So basically for Humanik is you get paid to review calls. It's kind of like quality assurance. If you've ever been online waiting for customer service and they say, your call is being recorded and monitored for quality assurance purposes. These are pretty much the people who do that, or companies like this do this. So basically all you have to do is you sign up for a free account. You go ahead and listen to recorded phone calls, answer simple questions, and then click a button, and that's about it. You earn real money. So they probably deposit money into an account, and then you can cash out to your PayPal at any moment. So again, you'll need at least somebody over the age of 18 to set up a PayPal account for you, because you do need a social security or at least like a tax ID or an EIN number for PayPal, just for for tax purposes, and in order to get paid, you need to make sure that somebody helps you set that up. So if you don't have access to PayPal, or if you're not able to set up PayPal, sorry, you're probably unable to do most of these side gigs or these remote jobs online. So Humanik is a good one. Definitely check that out. Sign up for free and get paid to review calls. We're going to give you number 3, coming in hot. It's called BoosterPal. Now, BoosterPal is great. A lot of schools use this website basically to help fundraise. So the whole idea behind BoosterPal is anytime parents or aunts or uncles or adults shop online, they can use your link, and you get credit for that website or whatever they purchase, and you end up getting money for that. So when somebody joins, you'll have a link created. You give that link out to family or friends. Anytime they click on that link and go shopping at, let's just for instance say ShopRite or Kmart or Walmart or Target, stores similar to that, lots of stores online, over 1,500 stores online, you'll get a piece of the pie. And it's a way for people to support students who want to start making money in their spare time. This is definitely a good one if you have, lots of parents, aunts, uncles, cousins that want to help you out. If you don't have anybody in your family that wants to help you out, you can still take your link. You can go on to social media, put it in your profile, and solicit participation. So you can ask people to help support your dream of becoming an entrepreneur or whatever the case may be. So BoosterPal is 100% free for you and your student, or for you if you're a student, and for your parents if they want to support you. All you have to do is click the Get Started button, fill out a little bit of information, and you can have a parent or an adult fill out a little bit of information as well, and you can start earning money as soon as people start clicking on your link. So that's a pretty legit website. Check that out. We're going to go to number 4. Number 4 is called Fusion Cash. Now, Fusion Cash has a bunch of different ways that you can get paid. Got a little cold, guys. Excuse me. It's definitely not the coronavirus, so don't worry. You won't get it, especially through this video. It's impossible for you to get sick, so just FYI. You can get paid through Fusion Cash by watching videos. You can get paid to click on links, or you can provide links to other people, maybe through your social media accounts, where people click on them and you get paid. It's called pay-per-click. There's different tasks you can do, maybe online tasks. You can go to, I know this particular website, if you go to like Walmart and you scan certain products with your cell phone and you use their app, you get paid for that type of stuff too. You can get paid for mobile games. You can get paid for playing games online, and you can get paid also for referring friends. Now, the cool thing about this is there is a $5 sign-on bonus. So $5 sign-on bonus. Basically, whenever you sign up, it's a free account. You don't need any credit card information or anything like that. They deposit $5 into your account. I think you're able to cash out to PayPal after like $10. So that's something really good. It's a low barrier to be able to cash out. So definitely check that out. Do a little research. Watch some tutorial videos here. If you don't want to sign up, they even offer a couple other ways you can get paid to watch videos, or you can take surveys. So that's definitely a good one for teenagers ages 13 to 18. We're going to go check out number 5, and we are working through these videos. If you want to be a freelancer, you can become what's called a transcriptionist or a captioner. So this is a website called rev.com. Freelancing jobs work from home with Rev. So basically the idea to this is you listen to audio podcasts or you listen to videos online, and then you accurately type what is being said. You label the speaker. So like YouTube videos, if you've ever seen closed caption or captioning down at the bottom, this is basically a way to do it. So there's a range you can get paid. You get paid up to 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute that you type out or that you listen to. So that's pretty cool. There's also a captioner, right? So you can watch a video and you can type out what's being said. So the transcriptioners, you listen to audio and video and you type out what's being said. The captioners, you type in captions, right? So you watch a video and then you accurately type what's being said. You creatively convey sounds. So if somebody burps, you would type in parentheses burping sound or something like that. You catch my drift? For the captioner, you get paid anywhere from 54 cents to $1.10 per minute, and there's even ways you can get paid more if you know a foreign language, Chinese, Spanish, Korean, French, whatever language. They probably need all of the different types of languages out there, so you can get paid up to $1.50 or $1.50 to $3 per minute per audio video minute that you spend on here transcribing or captioning these audio or videos. So it's free to start. Become a freelancer tonight if you wanted to. Anybody between ages of 13 and up, even after the age of 18, you can do this. So it's a great gig. I know a lot of people that have made some good money doing this as well. So that's number 5, guys. We're going to jump on number 6. Now, if you like to write, if you like to write about things, write about blogs. Starting a blog is one of the coolest things you can do, and it's an easy way to start money. And you can start a blog from anywhere in the world, even in India, where a lot of people say they can't access some of these websites. A lot of my my followers and subscribers are from India too, especially on TikTok, because TikTok is blowing up in India. So I appreciate all my Indian community members. So if you want to start a blog, you can start a blog from anywhere in the world. You jump on, and basically all you start doing is producing content, but it has to be content based on a certain niche or a certain category. Stick to one thing. Don't jump around from 50 million different things. If you want to talk about Pokemon, become the most expert person in Pokemon that you know. Learn everything that you can about Pokemon, or whatever the case may be. Whatever, fill in the blank. But you want to become an expert on that certain subject. Become an expert on that subject. Start writing about it. Write one post every single day. You want to at least write 200 words or more. Now, a way you can monetize these blogs is you can sign up for Google Ads, or there's different ad platforms that you can allow ads inside your blog. And it takes a little bit of setting up, but you can just YouTube those videos. Lots of tutorials to show you how to do it. If you have just a little tiny bit of tech savviness or tech knowledge, if you know how to do anything online, which most kids do nowadays, you can easily set up a blog. If you want a little more information about setting up a blog, drop a comment down below, and I'll see if I can get you a little more resources, a little more information on how to do that. Let's see, another way you can monetize your blog is by affiliate links. So you can put in links to Amazon affiliates, right? So you sign up for a free Amazon affiliate account, have your parents or your siblings do it for you if you're under the age of 18. And you basically take any link to any product on Amazon, and as long as it's hooked up to your affiliate account, you place it on your blog. When people click on it, you get a commission from that sale. And you can put those affiliate links all over your blog, all over the internet. You can spam social media with it. It doesn't matter. As long as people click on that link, you'll be able to get paid for that. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jobs. That's 7 jobs so far. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to give you number 7 right now, guys. Number 7 is my personal way of making money online. So this is a new training, and this training is going to reveal how to launch a proven, automated, and profitable online business without a ton of tech experience. So you do not need to be tech savvy. You don't need to know even how to do anything, really, because this training teaches you everything from A to Z on how to start an online business and become successful at it. It's called affiliate marketing, just like I shared with you about your blog. But this way you share high ticket items, so products and programs and courses from other people that they've already done all the hard work, the due diligence. They've already created these courses, hundreds of hours of recording videos. They've put it together in a course, and maybe they're trying to sell it for $1,900, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. Well, usually these are very, very valuable courses. So they're going to teach you how to look for and find valuable courses or products that people are offering and begin to promote it for people. And when you promote it through an affiliate link, you get a commission. Now, I just want to show you how real this is. This is my email that I just got about 21 hours ago. So earlier this morning, I got this, and it's from Legendary Marketer. It's this training course that you're going to have access to once you drop your email in there. Look at this commission I got. I got $1,000 commission, guys. This is real life. This is my email. This is my Gmail account. See, there's multiple Gmails right here. This one is from 1:30 a.m. about 21 hours ago. I earned $1,000 commission, guys. $1,000 commission. So I'm super excited about that. But I just wanted to show you that this is real life and it's easy to do. You do not need to have a lot of experience or even know what the heck you're doing. You just have to be able to watch some videos, take some notes, and take massive action. The difference between people that make it and don't make it is the people that take massive action, that decide they're going to make money online, decide they're going to be successful, and 100% go for it. Even as a teenager, even after 13, 14, 15 years old, 16 years old is the perfect time to get started in an online business. Affiliate marketing is the easiest thing for anybody to do. So if you're serious, guys, I want you to go to secretaffiliatehacks.com. You don't have to worry about that part right there. Just go to secretaffiliatehacks.com, and you can click on you can go to the link that's scrolling across the bottom of the screen, bit.ly/SavageMarketer. It'll take you to the same landing page. Drop your email right here. It'll bring you to another training video. Listen to that training video and then go on to the next step. Once you've done that, and you have your course ready and you're going through the 15-day business builder challenge, comment and let me know either on Instagram, TikTok, or this YouTube channel, and I'll reach out to you and I'll give you free access to my my private group on Facebook. So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long for you. Make sure you subscribe, smash that freaking like button, drop a comment, share this video across all of your social media so all of your friends know how they can start making money online, even tonight, even first thing tomorrow, even right after school, even this weekend. The whole point to this is those who take action will succeed. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Stay tuned to the next video coming at you shortly. Peace.